As you search for a new garage door, you'll want to consider what kind of door fits your home and your style. But how can you decide when there are so many choices? While it's nice to have options, unless you've done a lot of research or work in the industry, you may be feeling a little confused right now. We've narrowed the playing field down for you and made it easy with these 3 simple options. The material you choose for your garage door should be durable, hold up in your local climate, and be easy to maintain. Steel, aluminum, and fiberglass are some of the most durable and stand the test of time very well. Steel is the best option for hurricane-prone areas, as it is the most wind-resistant. However, it may not be the best option for seaside communities, as it could be susceptible to corrosion from salt in the air. Aluminum resists corrosion and is a lightweight option if you don't want a motorized opener. You can paint steel and aluminum any color to match your exterior decor, and steel doors are pretty low maintenance in terms of upkeep. Fiberglass is a great option for extreme climates with high heat or low temperatures. It insulates well and will help maintain an even temperature inside your garage to keep heating and cooling bills in check during summer and winter months. Furthermore, it won't split or crack like wood might. An ever-popular material, the natural properties of wood are hard to resist for beauty and durability. Wood as a natural insulator provides a strong barrier against the wind or burglary. It is more costly than other materials, but its durability is well worth the cost, and can even be customized to match your particular style. The second factor to consider is going to be the architectural style of your home. Curb appeal and aesthetics are important factors when considering garage door types. Matching the architectural style and components, like windows, of your home will create the best overall presentation. If you're replacing an existing garage door, here's a helpful tip. Stand back at the street and see what you like and dislike about the door. Do you need to add a splash of color? Is your home contemporary or more traditional? Wood can complement either style, whether it's rustic and rough sawn or smooth and sleek. Each material has unique properties for finishing. Some come pre-finished with durable paint colors, while others require an on-site painting or staining. Of course, you'll need to spend extra time on maintenance and refinishing these garage doors in a few years. Next, consider special features like archtop windows or carriage door hardware that blend to create the perfect image. Before you add windows to your garage door, think about the safety factor. You may want to reconsider if you've got children that will be playing in the driveway with balls or other sports equipment that could break the glass. Step 3 to selecting the perfect garage door is to also consider accessibility. Just as any other door in your home, your garage door must also function as a reliable access point. That means that the door must fit the opening, easily accommodate the ceiling height, and have plenty of room to safely open and close. You can choose sectional, roll-up, slides aside, side-hinged, tilt-up canopy, and tilt-up retractable garage doors. Before choosing the style, make sure it will work with the garage door opener if you plan to use one, and that safety mechanisms like motion-controlled sensors will operate with it properly.